Introducing SprintCV, the software that automates all processes around CVs and saves you a lot of time. Many recruiters spend up to 3 hours preparing a single branded CV template, endlessly copying and pasting. This process takes too much time and doesn't allow them to focus on more important tasks like business growth and sales closure. SprintCV enables the conversion of any CV template to a branded or specific format 5 to 10 times faster. Featuring the most advanced CV parser on the market, load and parse any CV format in just seconds. Our parser detects all the languages, trainings and skills and does real-time calculations of times of experience. The AI assistant reviews and translates summaries and descriptions effortlessly. Adapt data to any specific CV template with zero effort. Select a template, and a perfect Word document is generated. Supporting private CV portfolios, public templates, and many European institution-specific formats. Missing a template? We will easily add a new one. Manage skills and gain insights with real-time analytics, knowing experience across technologies, roles, industries, and more. Manage all versions of a CV from a single point, supporting multiple languages and profiles. Data privacy is a priority. Fully GDPR compliant, ensuring all data is safe and private. Trusted by many companies, including Fujitsu, Almaviva, Sword Group and Explio, among others. Streamline CV management with SprintCV. Get started today.